seen it?
A bit, yeah.
This is an intense snowstorm, everybody. I don't think this is gonna be cool. I have one here! This is not normal!
I'm like shaking so bad.
Hey, bro, is that Christmas?
Christmas! You can't see it, but that says Christmas.
Christmas gifts there. I'm going to get some from Mrs. Wilson, the best teacher in the whole entire world.
You're buying me a bear if you have enough.
I will do that.
But you can't tell Mom who's working.